Hello, welcome to another edition of DIY'd I Do This. Today we are going to try and declog my drain. I'm not the best with gross things, so wish me luck. And don't worry, I'm not going to show you the clog because nobody wants to see that. Not even me. Gross already. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and put this thing down. Oh, here we go. Maybe I get this claw thing going. Oh. Oh gosh, I got a bite. Oh no, I might have like pushed it down. Oh gosh, there's water coming up with this. Oh gosh, I might have gotten something. Oh gosh, what'd I get? Oh, okay, I got something. I don't want it to get on my... Stinks. I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh. Whoa. Oh gosh. That's so disgusting. Gosh. Lord. Wow, okay. I hated that. I hated that a lot. Now I've got this thing. I think this is actually what they call a drain snake. I don't know. This is why we pay for plumbers. Because, I mean, I can do this for my own gunk, but think about what plumbers have to deal with strangers' gunk. Okay, I don't know what we're about to find. I don't want to find it, but we're going in. What the fudge is that, bro? What the fudge? Oh, gosh. Oh. I hate this. I hate this so much. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to put this thing down there. Humans are disgusting. Oh, gosh. That is so gross. What have we done? What have we done? Cool. Not finding anything else. Great. Let's burn this shower down. Okay, cool. We can move on with our lives. And never, hopefully, have to do this again. Okay, thanks for watching. DIY'd I Do This.